In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use OMNY on the bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have to issue payments whenever you board any bus on New York and you want to pay with OMNY. So enter the bus to the front door and then look for the OMNY card reader. Usually, it is going to have a screen and then some symbol similar to this one with various waves coming through it. This indicates that you will be able to issue contactless payments. So you have two main options to do this. One of them is the physical OMNY card. It's as simple as placing the card near the card reader for a few seconds and your fare will be taken and you will be good to go. Once this is done, you simply have to board the bus. You will be able to manage the balance on your card, reload it when you go to a terminal, and use it however many times you want. Now, if you wish to make a payment with your phone, then you have to use the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet. Make sure that you attach a card to a physical wallet and that your phone has NFC capabilities enabled in the settings. Once NFC is enabled and you have a card attached to any digital wallet, such as the Apple Wallet, you can physically place your phone near the OMNY reader, just like you would do with the standard physical card. And once again, the fare will be deducted and you will be good to go. It's as simple as locating the OMNY reader and then using your physical card or your phone. You will be able to confirm the payment and board. Now, if you still need to acquire an OMNY card, then you can look for these terminals all over New York City, either on the subway or different locations, and from here you can get a card on your own. So you can choose from various options, including to buy a new card, buy single ride tickets, or reload a card. You can also check the information and choose from a variety of payment methods to get this process done. Once you have your card, you will be eligible to board any subway or bus in New York City. I hope I was able to help you on how to use OMNY on the bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.